Well, they don't call it the rainforest for nothing. Here we are on Hesquiat Harbour, and we are looking out at a very wet morning as we're about to leave. Beautiful Cougarani's Garden and Boat Basin, where Peter Buckland has been treating us to an amazing time in nature. And I am looking over our little cabin deck at a forest that is getting irrigated. And in this forest we have a mix of species. We have yellow cedar, Chamaecyparis nucatensis. We have red cedar, Thuya plicata. We have lodgepole pine, Pinus contorta. We have noble fir, silver fir, Abies amabilis, and so many other species, salal, evergreen huckleberry, deciduous huckleberry, all kinds of spring ephemerals. It is a mixed and beautiful ecosystem. It is not the monoculture that the logging companies plant after they've stripped hillsides and valleys of the valuable timber and sent it out as unprocessed logs to be processed somewhere else. Anyway, that's my rainy morning manifesto, October 2019.